Visbiome Vet is the highest potency probiotic for pets on the market. Probiotics are live bacteria, and their potency is measured in colony-forming units, or CFUs. Probiotics work in the GI tract to form healthy bacterial colonies that can improve gut health. Let's start by talking about the pet's GI tract, otherwise known as the microbiome. The microbiome is made up of trillions of microorganisms, both good and bad bacteria, that live in and on a pet's body. More than 500 different bacteria species make up the canine and feline microbiomes. Evidence shows that the gut microbiome affects many different areas of health. In fact, the microbiome regulates approximately 70% of your immune system. The pet's microbiome supports and maintains health by helping digest food, synthesizing essential nutrients, and preventing the invasion of harmful pathogenic bacteria. The high number of beneficial bacteria, CFUs, found in Visbiome Vet helps boost good bacteria while preventing bad bacteria from taking over. Each capsule of Visbiome Vet contains 112.5 billion colony-forming units. The capsules can be given to the pet by mouth for direct consumption or pulled apart and sprinkled on the pet's food or mixed in with treats. Probiotics are live organisms that are susceptible to both heat and humidity. The Visbiome line of products are shipped with ice packs and a temperature sensor. Melted ice doesn't mean the order is spoiled. The temperature sensor will turn red if the product has been exposed to heat events during transit. If that happens, just follow the directions on the card and we will process a replacement order with overnight shipping. Visbiome Vet is stored in an active vial bottle, which is especially designed to absorb moisture that can negatively impact the product. Visbiome Vet should be kept refrigerated, but it can be at room temperature for up to a week without being negatively affected. So no need to worry if you forget to put it back in the fridge overnight. At this point, you may be wondering what the main uses of Visbiome Vet are. Visbiome Vet supports normal inflammatory responses in the GI tract. It helps to reduce occasional loose stools due to environmental stress or dietary changes. It supports the protective layers of the bowel. It maintains proper gut flora, and it helps maintain normal kidney function. So let's take a closer look at what's inside each capsule and what's not. Each capsule contains 112.5 billion live bacteria. It is a blend of 8 different bacterial strains. It is cornstarch-free, lactose-free, gluten-free, and non-GMO. It's also manufactured here in the United States. The product dosing also sets Visbiome Vet apart from competitors. Dosing depends on the animal's weight. So small animals like cats and Yorkies do not receive the same amount of bacterial as a Great Dane. The Visbiome Vet formulation has been studied in several common disorders, including inflammatory bowel disease, acute hemorrhagic diarrhea, parvovirus, kidney function, and other areas. One last highlight. Visbiome Vet is veterinary recommended, so you won't find it in big chain stores. It is sold only through veterinaries, veterinary pharmacies, or our website, visbiomevet.com.